Hello there, Jan Stryjak here from Counterpoint Research at MWC24. I'm here on the Xiaomi stand with TJ Walton, Senior Product Marketing Manager.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome, thank you for joining me.
Thank you so much.
How's the show been so far?
It's been great. It's been a really busy and exciting 3 days. We're really happy with the turnout at the booth. Everyone seems excited with the concepts we're displaying and obviously the incredible products that we have as well.
Right, yeah, the launch on Sunday was fantastic.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It's the partnership with Leica is something that I find really interesting, and it's
Yep.
something that I'd like to get a bit more information on.
Absolutely.
So can you elaborate a bit more about the specific areas of kind of hardware co-engineering between Xiaomi and Leica?
Yep. So both of our product teams, research and development teams, work in depth, both in Germany and at Beijing, to kind of deliver the best optical experience that they can find on mobile imaging, and that's kind of the reason why we partnered with Leica in the first place. In terms of, like you mentioned, optics, the lens build and design is one fundamental part of the partnership. One of the more difficult parts as well, because obviously Leica has a fleet of fully constructed optical builds for traditional cameras that are very large.
Yeah.
But in order to miniaturize that into something that works almost as well or just as well into a smartphone is something extremely difficult. And that's really a big part of the job that our engineering and research teams do with Leica on that front. In addition to just the hardware optical lenses, we go into a lot more of actual optical tuning, photo tuning, algorithms. It's like the whole spectrum of the imaging experience is part of the co-engineered partnership with Leica.
Yeah, and a part that really interested me was the AI side
Right.
of things. And I mean, AI is everywhere at the show this year. Everyone's talking about AI, and particularly around kind of AI in photography. So how is Xiaomi differentiating itself? What are you doing to stand out from the crowd?
Yeah. So, like my colleague Daniel said on stage on Sunday, it wouldn't be a 2024 launch event without mentioning AI at some point.
Exactly.
So with Xiaomi, a big part of AI is incorporating AI empowerment into our overall company's vision, which we launched as Human Car Home. And that's really an ecosystem that is powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. That's the fundamental operating system that's going to span across all of our different product lines. So not just your smartphones that you may find in traditional smartphone companies, but across our ecosystem products and across our brand new launched car as well. So for us, really, it's AI empowerment across the whole spectrum, the whole ecosystem of products that we want our users to have. And it's about a complete experience that's empowered by AI. So I think that's really what Xiaomi plans to use as a differentiator moving forward. It's not just AI features on a single device, which we do have obviously on our smartphone products, a lot of which we talked about in the launch event as well. AI-powered products are extremely fun and interesting for our users to experience, but it's more about how can we use AI to empower an overall lifestyle that's surrounded across all different kinds of products around your life.
Yeah. Thank you. And this partnership with Leica, obviously it was launched as part of the flagship products.
Yes.
Is that going to be rolled out into non-flagship products, maybe some of the other sub-brands?
So at the moment, there is, as you can see based on public information, there's no availability of Leica on our non-Xiaomi series devices. So the definite answer for that right now is no. I can't say too much about what's expected for the future, but what I can say is that we do want to provide the best imaging experience possible that makes sense at the products at different values. So for now, what makes sense for us is to have this Leica partnership exclusively for our Xiaomi series products, as it has been. But never say never. But that's the way that we're operating currently. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, excellent.
So I was out of time, I'm afraid.
Yeah.
But thank you very much,
You're
TJ,
welcome.
for talking to me.
It's a pleasure.
It's been great. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.
And for those watching, thank you very much, and see you next time.